Hello everyone, I'm Farhana Sharmin Tithi. Hello from Bangladesh Big Data, a collaborative initiative in Bangladesh. Today I want to discuss about what is big data and how is it used. Big data actually started with combination of V, which are volume, scale of data, velocity, analysis of streaming data, variety, different forms of data, veracity, uncertainty of data, value, a perceptual or quantitative number. Big data, most popular tools is Big Data Hadoop. The inventor of Hadoop are Doug Cartwright and Mike Caffarella. Hadoop captures the data. It divided into clusters, and each clusters contains some blocks, and which we actually use the MapReduce technology. After the MapReduce technology, the results are published. Big data combination of more data warehouse. It can be all type of structured or unstructured data is gathered. Is actually big data data scientists working for producing it, so it make it structured data. So data scientist is the key role in big data process, and they actually to analyze the data to into structured data. So it can be data, can be sensors, or can be log files, can be messages, alerts, web blogs, Facebook, Twitter, social media, servers, network. Any kind of data can be conjuncted to stream processing by R and Hadoop, and it can be actually after MapReduce and on the things, it can be result publishing like reporting, dashboard, machine learning, pattern recovery, then predictive model, then a statistic model, and analyzing into used in custom applications. So you see that all type of log files, even stream files, scat text, all type of HDBase load are in Hadoop process. After the MapReduce, the structured data is gathered. Why big data is so important? SAP or ERP technology needed a faster and quicker solution with less hardware or less storage. So big data can find the optimized query search and managing updated data with dynamic changes for high volume data. Data scientists mainly work for logic, coding, and invent a better algorithm for big data. They do product analysis, data pipelining, data testing, and modeling. If data scientists invent algorithm in black box testing, 1 trillion data can be tested per second. This algorithm can be sell $1 to $250 million. So you see the big data picture is supporting the data scientist. Here we can see example of napkin drawing on executable workflows. Big data technology is SBNL workflow, quality acceleration and preparing, data quality and evaluation, and master learners also in participating in there. Data analysis work in practical field by logic invented by data scientists. He works on data manipulation, data visualization, machine learning. He ensures all the real-time transaction and updating of big data. Here you can see the what is the data scientist and data engineering difference. Data scientists do visualization, modeling, storytelling, also do the statistics part. But data engineer do system implementation, programming, math, DB administration, and data storage. What is the common of them? Common of them, the programming, the math technology, some sorts of statistics technology. If Arong making priority on green Punjabi rather than off-white Punjabi, then maybe customer will be buying Punjabi from Arong. So sale will be increased by the demand of customer market analysis. Big data can make a huge difference to any company by putting their intelligence technology. What and how can big data use? Big data can be used for optimized Q research, data mining, making solution for both structured and unstructured data. Big data use the data set with their tools and generated real-time application for customer and services. Here you can see 5 big data use cases: customer sentiment analysis, behavioral analytics, predictive support, fraud detection, customer segmentation. Here are the big data ecosystems: all variety, volume, velocity, and value, which is stored in type like RFID, mobile, location data, machine data, SMS, point of scale, click stream, social networking, sensor data, ERP, all type of things are there processing. So event correlation. In one word, network traffic analysis, event correlation monitors all the events, network traffic speed, error, event log. It creates indexing to search real-time data with full velocity wherever search data, any search faster in big data. Nowadays, Internet of Things is the most popular thing. It can be dictated object in Internet by sensor. IoT defines each term of big data. RDMS, Rational Data Management System, NoSQL, Apache Hadoop, everywhere IoT can sensor trillion data and can make faster the monitoring and transition of data in big data. Sentimental analysis involves social networking. Data, Hadoop clustering, Hadoop file distributing system analysis system work in 3 ways: Twitter feed, RSS feed, mobile application. Social data mining. It generates social data sets by analyzing market, trend, and customer from the both structured and unstructured data of big data. Business intelligence. Business intelligence generates report, dashboard, analytic report from Hadoop Analytic, MongoDB, Analytic, AnyDB. They can access directly. They don't have to make other DB for this purpose. So social data mining and business intelligence is important. People only know about Steve Jobs because he always do marketing for Apple, but people don't know about Steve Wozniak, who was also co-founder of Apple. Currently, he runs Apple company where 250,000 employees work, and a company who only supply the glass of monitor, phone, the etc. device. They has 50,000 of employees working. They only get 10 cents per glass. So if successfully company set up a sub company who supply some of raw material for that company can be established. So it's the business intelligence, how you can set up the company from current market analysis. There are also cloud-based solution. Cloud-based solution can store data from any machine by MapReduce, Apache Hadoop or big data. So big data store all of its data in cloud. If local machine store data, it becomes slow, but in cloud it makes faster the device services of big data. Amazon stores all of its data in cloud. Click data. Click data integrate all data by customer requirement. They help customer to quick decision. So customer can easily click how many table or database or big data is. Sequencing data. Sequence data help data to sequence quickly. Suppose a 1 week is needed to search data, it can solve it in half an hour. Genomic scanning is using big data sequencing data. Location-based solution. Location-based solution stars digital mapping is implemented. Location-based solution working GPS with big data and cloud. So basic skill requirement will be, first of all, passion and willingness, always updated and willing to go with the flow, mathematics and statistic analysis, big data architecture knowledge, Apache Hadoop and related project knowledge, R programming, SAP, Prequel, Teradata, Cloudera, Hortonworks, find their updated works. So how do we emphasize how to skill ourselves? We have to learn by ourselves. We can go through the Big Data University, Mapper Hadoop training, Cloud Essential for Apache Hadoop, Coursera, YouTube and Google, Saphan Academy. There are 10,000 YouTube big data related video and more links and courses in internet. Search and learn by yourself. Big data tool. Apache Hadoop and Apache Drill, IBM got Watson, InfoSphere, NetSphere, Pure Data, DB2 with VLU, Smart Technologies, HP, Haven, Hadoop, Autonomy, Vertica, Enterprise Security, and Apps Vertica, Safana and Sybase IQ, Microsoft Azure and Mediation, Oracle, Exadata and Exalytics, Google BigQuery, Amazon Web Services, Teradata, Astra Discovery Platform, and Big Data Analytics, Search Big Data Analytics Miner, Visual Statistics Scoring Accelerator, Pantho Big Data Analytics, Open Source Talent, HPCC, Palantir, Pivotal, Hortonworks, Cloudera Mapper, Tableau, QuickView, Splunk Hang, Fusion.io Big Data, MU Sigma Big Data, MicroStrategy Big Data, Red Hat Big Data, Informatica Big Data, MarkLogic Big Data, MongoDB NoSQL Database. Comparison of traditional database and new generation dataset. Traditional focus on destructive analytics and diagnostic analytics, where the new generation database focuses on predictive analysis and dataset. Traditional datasets are limited, cleansed, and simple, where the new generation datasets are large data scale datasets, more types of data, raw data, and complex data model. Traditional supports causational what and why happen, and new generation database supports correlation, new insight with more accurate answer, proactive all the time. So here is an example of MapReduce. You see the job client, job tracker, name node, and Hadoop distributed file system, which task trackers execute task and report the task. Also, task slots are divided into map, shuffling, and reduce. Input goes for MapReduce, and they shuffle and sorting and reducing after they got the output from job tracker and using the name nodes. An important term MapReduce explained with name node, secondary name node, data node, job tracker, task tracker. How can MapReduce find the accurate data with quick query searching? Apache Project Tool. http hadoop.apache.org. The project includes these modules. Hadoop Common, the common utility that supports the other Hadoop modules. Hadoop Distributed File System, Hadoop Yarn, Hadoop MapReduce. Hadoop distributed file system, a distributed file system that provides high throughput access to application data. Hadoop Yarn, a framework for job scheduling and cluster resource management. Hadoop MapReduce, a Yarn-based system for parallel processing of large data sets. Other Hadoop-related projects at Apache includes Ambari, Avro, Cassandra, Checkra, HBase, Hive, Mahot, Peak, Spark, Torch, Zookeeper. All are using application. Making big data to work. Here are an example of a Australian center where health centers are data concept 100%. Actually, big data, about 80% of patients' information is unsaturated, so in turn unmutable. So they use the big data technology where capture the data from anywhere. Any clinical workflow have been done, every patient story have been taken, and understand everything. After this, summarize business decisions, optimize workflow, efficiency, revenue cycle. So use data for good. Better patient care through patient records, more informed decisions. Advancements in voice recognition and clinical language understanding are enabling the healthcare enterprise to capture information at the point of care, convert patient data into actionable information, and leverage that information for clinical, business, and patient good. So here is a Cisco data storage processing workflow. Here are Euclid, how they processing the data. The retail and post analytics use process tens of TB in hours by 2 weeks. 80 to 90% reduction in cost. So here the technology they use, the AWS Elastic Beanstalk is being used, Amazon EC2, Amazon Elastic MapReduce, Amazon S3, Amazon Redshift, and data access layer get data dashboard, reports, insights. Customer facing product layer, data processing, analysis and RD layer, data collection layer, data feeds. IT cost reduction of big data overview. Determine ELT and MPP needs and cost. Analyze ELT and MPP workflows and data uses. Big data, develop a big data. Identify big data and open source options. Then demonstrated a big data and open source option. Then develop a big data IT cost reduction business care. This is the head of tool that data streams happen, FluentBD, Kafka, which batch layer and speed layer, head of SDFS used, scheduling, Hummingbird program is running, Storm is also there, and then batch layer key will stored in RocksBD. After that, real-time key stored in Memcached Redis, and after all, the query goes to client, Impala, and D3.js. Also, Tableau is used there. How IBM did in big data and cloud computing. Their mobile devices provide cloud enterprise network, data storage, user, edge services, streaming computing, data integration, data repositioning, actionable insight, transformation and connectivity, enterprise application, enterprise data, enterprise user directory, security, information, government. Big data never asks for customer requirement. It has developed a solution by itself, and while big data is in project, you have to be skilled. There is no option to be trained or learning. If it does, big data will be fed. At a time, work with no one use case. So prepared skill of big data, strong logic, statistic expertise can make big data work smoothly. Always involved in new generation coding, microservices like IR programming and Python. Test again, practice big data technology. Test again, practice big data technology. Utilize 10,000 hours to be expertise in big data. Update makes verbs, all nouns are all you learned in big data. There are HANA and Hadoop integrated with new technology used by industry. So here is a AWS system has provided a video on. We should watch this.
To understand your business on a deeper level based on all of your data and drive strategic decisions in real time is the essence of making big data work for you. From startups to Fortune 500 companies and worldwide public institutions, Amazon Web Services customers are running big data solutions in the cloud, getting actionable insights from their business data, such as creating personalized medicine based on patient genetic information, delivering customized content to millions of users concurrently, or analyzing billions of financial transactions daily. AWS provides a self-service model where you can have on-demand availability of compute, networking, and storage capacity at the speed of a few mouse clicks. You have the flexibility to use AWS Big Data Solutions where much of the heavy lifting of provisioning, availability, durability, recovery, and backup services are done for you. Or you can develop your own big data platform on Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud to meet your specific needs. The choice is yours. You can ingest data at any velocity from any number of sources, allowing you to process and analyze your data in near real time. Store any type of data, from unstructured data like documents and video, to structured data such as financial transactions and key performance indicators. Analyze data at massive scale with up to thousands of servers working in parallel with software such as Hadoop, MapReduce, Hive, Pig, Spark, or many of the emerging big data solutions. You can even create a data warehouse that you can resize dynamically without downtime from a few terabytes to multiple petabytes as your needs change. Visualize and interpret your data with business intelligence and reporting tools that you're already familiar with. AWS offers a comprehensive set of services for running big data workloads in the cloud. Analyze big data faster with Amazon Web Services, getting to your next aha moment sooner. Visit aws.amazon.com/